What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use the split screen feature on any Android device. Carry on with me to the end of this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Just carry on with me and we'll see how to do it. So, the first thing that you want to do is to open your recent apps by tapping the square button or using the gesture for recent apps, depending on your phone. Next, find the app you want to use, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the app window. From the menu, there, select Split Screen. Now once you do that, the app will move to the top or left side of your screen, depending on your orientation. Now, choose the second app you want to open from the recent apps list or app drawer, and it will fill the other half of your screen. And that's it. You now have two apps open side by side, perfect for multitasking. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Just hit the bell icon to stay updated, and I'll see you on the next video.